Hello students, good evening. Myself NS Yadav. Our channel is GV Physics Coaching Classes. Today we shall discuss RMS value of AC for class 12th. IRMS or root mean value of alternating current. First of all, definition. IRMS value of AC is that value of steady current which produces the same amount of heat in a conductor with a certain amount, certain time interval. As is produced by alternating current in the same conductor. For full cycle or time period T. It is represented by IRMS, I virtual and I effective. Expression for AC or IRMS. The equation of AC is I is equal to I naught sin omega. If dH is the heat produced in the conductor in time in time dt. Let capital R is the resistance of the conductor. Then dH is equal to I square R dt. This is equation second. Put value of I from equation first. From equation first and second. I naught sin omega t square R dt. Or we can write it I square R into sin square omega t dt. Since cos 2 omega t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square omega t, or sin square omega t is equal to 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2. So this value can be placed here. So equation third. Becomes dH equal to I naught square R into 1 minus, take 2 here, 1 minus cos 2 omega t into dt. On integration, we get the heat for full cycle. On integration, under the limit zero to t, then h is equal to zero to t I naught square R upon 2 1 minus cos omega t dt. Or we can write I square R upon 2 0 to t minus 0 to t cos 2 omega t dt, or I naught square R upon 2 t 0 to t minus sin 2 omega t upon 2 omega 0 to t, or we can write t minus 0 1 upon 2 omega sin 2 into 2 pi upon t into t minus sign 0. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. It means h equal to I square r upon 2 into t. This is equation 4. Now, let IRMS is the value of AC, which produces the same heat in the same conductor. For full cycle or T time, then H is equal to IRMS square RT. Now you get equation 4th and 5th. On equating equation 4 and 5, then IRMS square RT is equal to I naught square RT upon 2. RT cancel, then IRMS equal to I naught upon 2. This is RMS value of current, or we can write it 0.707 of I naught. This is all about the expression. Now again, RMS, root mean value of alternating current. IRMS value of AC is that value of steady current which produces the same amount of heat in a conductor in certain time interval as is produced by alternating current in the same conductor for full cycle or time period T. It is represented by IRMS, I virtual and I effective. Expression I equal to I naught is the equation for the AC. If dH is the heat produced in the conductor in time dt, then dH is equal to I square R dt. Value of I is substituted from here, so equation becomes this, and I square omega t is converted into 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2. So this value is placed here. This equation becomes I square r upon 2 into 1 minus cos 2 omega t dt. For integrating, we find that h is equal to I square rt upon 2, and if IRMS is the value of AC, then the same heat is produced for the full cycle in the same conductor is IRMS square RT. On equating equation 4th and 5th, we get IRMS equal to I naught upon root 2 or 0.707 of peak value. Thus, we finish our lecture here. Okay.